Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Elainone men's polo knit sweater, long sleeve, fine knit polo color. Oh, that's a pullover. A pullover, you know that, huh? It's a basic solid color, warm winter sweater for men. It's available in black, in dark blue, in gray, in jeans blue, khaki, and white. The size you can choose from is M, L, XL, XXL, and triple extra large. Stylish design. Because this man's sweater with a polo collar combines with a button placket and a classic knit design. The elastic rib knit cuffs on the sleeves and hem the ensure a perfect fit and a comfortable wearing comfort all day long, of course. The polo long sleeve shirt, sweater is made of soft elastic materials. It offers an all-day comfort and is particularly easy to clean. This is an ideal everyday life thing. The perfect companion. That here is for business, for casual and outdoor activities, as an independent statement piece of a versatile winter layer. This winter sweater is for men, is warm. It is an ideal choice for every style out there. And whether in the office, at the social events such as appropriated or dinner parties on the strips, or during the outdoor activities such as golf and hiking, this man's knitted sweater offers a maximum comfort. And it's available in a classic size from M to 3XL. The business sweater for men adapts an ideal to different body types. For the best choice, we should recommend a look at our detailed size chart in the offer, because there you can see what size you should sign into. Shoulder wide, bust, sleeve length, the length itself, and then you can choose by the sizes in inches. This is a man's stage sweater, casual long sleeve polo shirt in a classic style. This is a man's sweater. Yeah, elegant, baby, elegant. Yeah. The polo sweater is either for business, leisure, outdoor party, and golf, of course. It's tight-fitting without restricting movement. We have a detailed display with soft and comfortable, trendy and fashionable design. We have a solid sweaters here that can be styled in a variety of ways. It looks casual. It looks classic for colors, different styles available. And this sweater is soft and skin friendly. Yeah, long sleeve polo shirts, elegant and good style for us. This all brings us this Elainone men's polo knit sweater. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.